Joe. Let's see how you're doing. Come. Here you go. You don't need that wall. Come here. Sonny, come here. Come. Good girl. Good girl. Her eyes are not bouncing up and down like they were. I don't know. One thing don't get you, the other will, Sonny. Want some chicken? I cooked you chicken. Come on, let's see the tail wag. Come on. Chicken. Chicken. Well, still no tail wag, but you will eat the chicken. What? Oh, that's my fingers. Ooh. She has control of her mouth because I can put my fingers in it with chicken and my fingers come out. Good job, son. Yeah, none fell on the floor. You got it all. Tongue still works. Remember when that didn't? Okay, girl, come on. What? Oh, you're afraid I'm going to try to put you outside? Can you walk to your bowl? If I put this in your bowl, can you come get it? Here you go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Look. No tricks. It's just a treat. And a couple more in the bowl. Yeah, you don't like bending over, do you? And see, she can pick out the chicken and leave the dog food. Oh, some rice. Mm-hmm. This is what I find impressive. Of course, if I lose a finger doing this, I won't find it so impressive. Good girl. Good girl, Sonny. Look at that. That was my knee. That was my good knee. That's it, Sonny. No more treats. Oh, Jody, you heard the T word, didn't you? All right, Joe, I'll get you some. Go get it, Jody. Go lick her face or something. Are you done? Is the Sonny show over for the day? Time to go back to resting?